Hey, it's Brandon and I'm doing a bike check. Um, I got Animal, Edwin De La Rosa grips. They're my favorite ones. I don't know, I had them before, I like them. They came with Animal far ends. I got them in blue. Try to keep my bike all the same colors. I have Eastern Wonder Years bars, 80s. Pretty nice. I got them yesterday, I think. I got a stolen convict stem. It's nice. Blue. Haro forks came with it. Haro rim came with it too. The whole front rim, spokes, and hub came with it. It's all Haro stuff. I got Haro F3 frame. Mongoose bought Transforms Pro. They're pretty sweet. They're nice and light. Chrome. Animal Hamilton PC pedals. I like those. I had them before. Haro seat post and seat. Hold on a second. Let me turn my bike around. I have a half-length blue mecha-neck chain, Verde sprocket, leads running to the back rim. It's a chrome poverty back rim, and the hub's poverty too. I don't really like it. I have another one, I just haven't laced it yet. And that's my bike check.